Hey everybody, Lex here, and I'm going to show you the difference between a real DS game and a fake DS game. Can you tell which one's real and what's fake just by looking at these 6 games here? Well, soon you should be able to tell on an eBay posting or what have you which is real, which is fake. This is Chibi-Robo Park Patrol. Chibi-Robo is a great series. I love it. My wife loves it. It's great fun for the whole family. Kind of hard to find. It was a Walmart exclusive, but this is a real game. We bought it brand new. We tested it. It works. It saves. Everything like that. This is Pokemon Diamond. Now, I work at Gamestop, and someone came in to trade this in. We spotted that it was a fake. They said just toss it because they didn't know it was a fake, and I decided to just keep it for purposes like these to show people what's a fake and what's real. So let's compare them side by side here. Now, the first thing I want to show you is the Nintendo seal of quality. On Chibi-Robo, you'll see that the Nintendo seal is actually brighter, shinier. It just looks a lot more clear, and it says official Nintendo seal on it. Now, we pick up the Pokemon Diamond game, and we see that it has a darker gold on it. The gold isn't shiny, and it says official Nintendo seal of quality. So compare them side by side. You should be able to tell which one's which. That's just one indication to tell how fake it is. Also, look at the stickers. They're not lined up. Now, most of the time, DS stickers aren't going to be perfect, but you can really tell when someone just put that on there themselves, So let's look at the back real quick. There's a really good way to tell whether a game is fake or not in person. And the first thing I'm going to show you is the chips and the pins here on the cards. You can see on the Pokemon one, it has one little white character there in the middle, and that's it. Now we look at Chibi-Robo Park Patrol, and we see across the board there are the numbers and letters across the chipboard. So that's a great way to tell whether or not it's real or fake. Now you look at the back here, you look at the lettering on the serial number, and this is another good way to spot, but only if you have a side-by-side comparison. The Pokemon one is not as clear. It's kind of off-centered a little bit. Side-by-side, you can really tell the difference here. But not only that, look at the backs. As far as the engraving goes, you'll have the patent pending on the Pokemon. It looks deeply engraved. The font is different. The one on Chibi-Robo Park Patrol, it is engraved, but it's not as deep, and everything is more smooth, and you can tell on the Pokemon one that someone actually put this piece on there. So, the Pokemon one is a fake, and that's very unfortunate, but a lot of Pokemon games get faked, and that's a good way to tell. Let's take a look at some other real DS games. Here's Brain Age. Bought this, oh gosh, I think it was 2006, but you can see, still, remains the same. Chip across the chipboard, the white lettering, great way to tell. Let's look at Plants vs. Zombies. I picked this up at a swap meet. Again, great way to tell is the back and the engraving. It's very smooth. It's not as deep as a fake one would be. My French Coach. There you see, again, the Nintendo, the official Nintendo seal. It doesn't say seal of quality. It's a seal. And finally, we'll look at Quest Trio, and again, just you can spot all the things I was talking about before. So do not get duped on eBay or even in person. Make sure you check these things. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.